Hello and thank you for tuning into the Ace of Spades Barbers channel. Today we're going to discuss some products from Oil Can Grooming. As you can see behind, we've got the poster of the Oil Can custom motorcycle, which is the Iron Horse, and these are the products we're going to be talking about today. So first of all, we've got the grease pomade. This is in a nice little oil tin, very nicely presented. Inside they've even done the product the same colour as well. It's a nice consistency. You've got a nice sticky consistency there. This is a medium hold, medium shine pomade. Put it on wet or dry hair and manoeuvre it through. Give it a nice little hold and also a bit of shine. Then we'll move on to the beard oil. It's a leather and wild raspberry fragrance. It tames, strengthens and conditions the beard, and this is one of the top sellers within the shop. We'll also discuss the other ones as well on a later video, but this one seems to be a really good hit with a lot of people. The product itself, I love the presentation in the little oil cans. I think it's absolutely fantastic what they've done. Really give it that sort of motorcycle feel, and within our shop as well, that's kind of what we're going for. So it really complements our shop with how we sell it. So yes, as it comes to these products, we absolutely love them. We think they're absolutely fantastic and they're a great seller. So if you hit the link down below, check the company out. Any questions, just comment down below. And if you want more information, like what we're doing, please like and subscribe as well. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Cheers.